This is the install video for the Mashigan and the FJ40. When you use the leaf springs on the FMS trucks, the LRT just drops right in, and here's how you do it. We're going to take a look at the LRT2 conversion for the FMS chassis. This fits onto the Toyota FJ40 and the YJ Jeep Mashigan when you use the leaf spring conversion. You'll see here that the LRT2 has a brand new cross member in the back. This cross member fits into the holes where the skid plate used to be, and so there's no more skid, and that means there's no more link mounts. So you have to do the leaf spring conversion from FMS to make this fit on. The transfer case has a brand new mount, and then you'll see right here there's two brand new motor mounts. And these new motor mounts actually fit through the screw that's used on the leaf spring conversion. We give you a new screw that's longer, and there's plastic on both sides here, and what I did on mine is I just drilled through the plastic so it was easier to thread the new screw into the motor mount, and that made the job quite a bit easier. You'll also see that this piece of plastic in the center is missing. On the original leaf spring conversion kit and the 40, there's already a huge piece of plastic tray in here, and that's now gone. You need to cut it off right at the servo mount. So from the servo mount backwards is all gone, and the two little inside leaf brackets you keep. So you're going to keep this and keep this, and everything else can go. And that gives you lots of room for a motor cover, and it fits perfectly into the engine bays. The driveline angles on this are really nice. It has lots of clearance underneath. There's no more need for a skid plate there unless you want to build a new flat one. But the body mount is right here, so you can see there's lots and lots of clearance underneath. Just the drive shafts are hanging. And lots of space for an engine bay. A very simple install. The bracket goes on the front of the motor mount on both sides and then screws through here. The transfer case bracket goes onto the back of the T-case and then uses two new screws here through the skid plate holes. And that's it. Thanks for watching the install on these two trucks, and if you have any questions, be sure to let us know in our media channels and we'll be sure to help you out, and happy trucking.